DHCP. Because of that, we registered 10242, okay, as the NBMA address in the router 1 in the NHS. Assume that this IP address receiving that is receiving from the router 4 is changing to 10243, for example. Okay, this is possible. Then R2 should register itself with the 10243. Here you will have problem. Why? Because the router 1 doesn't accept it. Actually, the router 1 only accept 10242. Okay, this is our problem. Okay, if you want, you can, for example, send the NHRP registration message, okay, without uniqueness flag. Okay, uniqueness flag is for security, means when one router is registering itself into the NHS, also it should send one NBMA address. Other routers cannot overwrite the NBMA address of this router, but in some special cases like this case that we are receiving IP address from the DHCP, we should change the uniqueness flag to 0. Why? Because if you change the uniqueness flag to 0, the next time R2 can register itself with the 10243 and it is accepted with the it will accept with the router 1. Okay, because of that, in some cases we should disable in the uniqueness flag in the NHRP. Actually, this is a practical scenario. Let me to show you first the default behavior. Look at here. Now uniqueness flag is a setting, okay, and you have learned about it, and we are sending 10242. Here you can see that we have this information unique registered. Okay, all right, in the router 2, look at here, I'm going to show you the default behavior first. Here, conf-t, this is the capture of the link between the router 1 and router 4. Okay, I'm going to shut down the tunnel 0. Okay, after that, about the interface fast Ethernet 00, I want to change the IP address to 10243.255.255.255.0. Okay, and then let me to enable again the tunnel 0, no shutdown. What is happening? Let me to show you here in the capture. We are sending the NHRP registration request, okay, and after that here, as you can see, we are receiving error message from the router 1 code unique internetworking layer address already registered. We don't receive the success code. Here also you can see some error message, receive registration reply packet with error, unique address registered already. It is so easy to understand. In the R1 also show IP NHRP can show us that this IP address doesn't accept it from the router 2. Actually, here we are using again 10242. Because of that, here we have a problem. Now let me to again change the IP address of this interface. IP address 10242.255.255.255.0. okay, on the interface fast Ethernet 00, we should configure this IP address. Do show run. Let me to show you. Do show run interface tunnel 0. Here we should go to the interface fast Ethernet 00. IP address is the 10242.255.255.255.0. Now we don't have any problem. Okay, look at here, we are sending this 10242 and we are receiving success. It is okay. Now let me to change this behavior again on the interface tunnel 0. Let me to shut down this interface, and here I'm going to configure this command: IP NHRP registration and no unique. That's it. Means we are sending registration message from the or request from the router 2 to the NHS without the flag of uniqueness. That's it. Here in the for example next registration message, first we should enable the tunnel 0 again, no shutdown. Look at here, we are sending 10242, okay, without any registration flag. Look at here, uniqueness bit is false, means we didn't send uniqueness bit. And in the router 1, what is happening? In the router 1, show IP NHRP can show us that here we are registered used next hop, not unique registered. The unique register received from the router 3. All right, now let me to show you for example, change in the router 2. In the router 2, I want to assign other IP address to the fast Ethernet 00, interface tunnel 0 shutdown, then interface fast Ethernet 00, okay, IP address is 10243, for example, 255.255. 2550, again interface tunnel 0, no shutdown. What is happening now? In the capture file, we have again registration request. Now we are sending 10.2.4.3 without any problem. We are receiving the code success. In the router 1 also, let me to show you show IP NHRP. The NBME address is 10.2.4.3 without any problem. Because of that, in some cases, maybe we need to disable or to not set the uniqueness flag with this command: IP NHRP registration no unique. It is important in practical scenarios. All right, now we know more than before about the NHRP. After many features that we have learned previously, now we know about the flag of the NHRP and how we can use it. Don't forget, maybe in the practical world, before you anybody configure the DMVPN phase 1 or phase 2 or phase 3, but these problems are so important, okay, and only the people, okay, that understand the detail of the NHRP or DMVPN can solve these problems. Because of that, you should learn about them, you should think about them, and finally you will be a master in the DMVPN and also the technologies that we have in the DMVPN like the NHRP. All right, now it's your turn. You need to review the concept of this video. After that, you should configure again the scenario, and finally you can work with the NHRP registration uniqueness flag. And after that, please come with me to the next video. We will learn more than this about the DMVPN.